Meet the MoYu RS3M V5, but this time it comes with a completely unique robot display stand. Could this be the ultimate budget speedcube on the market? Let's check it out! Today we are doing a full unboxing of this highly anticipated puzzle to see exactly what's inside. Inside, we get the essential accessories, manuals, a screwdriver for the core, a tension adjustment tool, and a single spare enchantment piece. But the real star here is the robot case. Taking off the seals reveals a fantastic, fully articulated container. It's not just packaging, it's a perfect way to display your cube on your desk. Out of the box, the shades are vibrant. The first turn feel a bit dry and papery, which is pretty typical for factory puzzles. Despite that, the magnets provide a nice, snappy feel, and the corner cutting easily reaches 45 degrees without any catch. Taking off the center caps, we can see a very clean and modern internal mechanism. The edges and corners feature a smart split piece design, holding the magnets securely in place. And everything is built around a sturdy magnetic ball core, giving the cube excellent stability. Doing some random solves, the stock feel is okay, but it definitely needs a proper setup to shine. The setup here is super simple, just a classic screw and a tension tool. By the way, before I lube it, let me know in the comments, do you like setting up cubes yourself, or do you use them straight out of the box? And don't forget to subscribe. Let's apply some premium silicone lube to the tracks to really unlock its true potential. The difference is night and day. The cube now feels incredibly plush, fast, and handles algorithms smoothly. During full speed solves, the stability is impressive. It performs just like a flagship puzzle. To wrap things up, the RS3M V5 offers incredible value for money. It brings top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost, and the robot stand is an amazing bonus. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced speedcuber, this is a must-have. Thanks so much for watching, keep cubing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!